girl, every boy, come and open up your eyes. There's a world right here, full of wonder and surprise.
Let's go and find the Fimbles!
Fimbles, Fimbles, Fimbles.
We're the Fimbles!
Fimbles, Fimbles, Fimbles.
We're the Fimbles!
Sing along, everyone can join our song.
Sing along! Fimbles! Fimbles! We're the Fimbles!
Every game you'll find and play
In the wonderful world, in the magical world of the Fimbles! Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
Boo!
Oh, Fimbo!
Oh, did I surprise you, Florrie?
Yes, you did. You made me jump.
It was a surprise. Surprises are fun, aren't they?
Yes, sometimes they are. But I didn't really like that one.
Well, that's what I'm doing today. Surprises. Now, who can I surprise next? I think I'll surprise Pom. She'll love my surprise. Bye, Florrie.
Bye, Fimbo.
Hello, Pom.
Oh, Fimbo.
Did you like my surprise?
No, oh, Pom, jump.
But my surprises are the best. That's what I'm doing today. Surprises.
Oh,
Oh, what's wrong with everyone? They don't like my surprises.
I didn't like that surprise of Fimbo's. Did you, little one? It made me jump. Did it make you jump? Oh, I'm getting the fimbling feeling. I'm going to find something. Hooray! I can feel a twinkling. I can hear a sound. It's telling me there's something waiting to be found. Where is it? Where is it? What could it be? I think it might be over there. Let's go and see. Oh, there is something to be found here. But where is it? Is it here? No. Or is it there? Oh, can you see it anywhere? Oh, what was that? Oh, another one. How funny. Oh, I found something very strange. It makes me go.
Hello there, Florrie, love.
Oh, Bessie, I've found something very funny.
You found a hiccup.
Hiccup?
Yes. There's a funny little something that makes a funny sound. It's very hard to find it, but you know when it is found. It jumps up from your tummy as quick can be. So now you've got the hiccups, you can hick along with me. You see, that's what they sound like. Oh, another one. Oh, Florrie, love.
What's that? Hello, Florrie. Hello, Bessie. Hello. Pom. Pom hear funny noise.
Oh, really? What noise was that?
A furry noise.
Florrie's got the hiccups today.
Hiccups? Yes, that's right. Hello, hiccups. See
There's a funny little something that makes a funny sound. It's very hard to find it, but you know when it is found.
It jumps up from your tummy as quick can be. So now you've got the hiccups, you can hick along with me.
That's a hiccup, Pom.
Oh, hiccups! Oh, that's right, Pom.
Oh, well done, you two. That was marvellous.
Hiccups!
That's right, Pom. Hiccups. Yeah. All right, lovely. The song's finished. You can stop hiccuping now, Pom.
Oh, no! I think Pom's got the hiccups as well now.
Oh, dear. I think all that laughing has given Pom the hiccups.
Oh, what a lovely quiet place. I've been bouncing about a lot today. Oh, jumping jelly beans. Oh. You know, sometimes if you've been bouncing about, you just need to sit quietly for a bit. Well, I do anyway. Oh, just right for sitting quietly for a bit.
Boo!
Oh, smelly jelly Fimbo.
Hello, Rockit.
Oh, hello, Fimbo.
Did you like my surprise?
Well, the thing is, I just wanted to sit quietly for a bit.
Oh, dear. Even Rockit didn't like my surprise. Well, that's what I'm doing today, jumping out and surprising everyone. See you later, Rockit.
Oh, see you later, Fimbo. Oh, do you know, I feel a bit wibbly wobbly bibbly bobbly flobbly now. Oh, what's that noise? Oh, it's coming from over there. Hey! Ooh, it's a very bouncy noise. Let's go and find out what it is. Oh, hello, hello. Oh, what's all this then?
Hello, Rocket. We've got hiccups.
Oh, hiccups, is it? Oh, I know all about hiccups.
Do you, Rocket?
Oh, yes, of course. I am the hiccuping frog. Oh, just remind me, what are hiccups again?
Sing! There's a funny little something that makes a funny sound. It's very hard to find it, but you know when it is found. It jumps up from your tummy as quick can be. So now you've got the hiccups, you can hick along with me.
What a great song!
Oh no! Rocket hiccup! Now you've got the hiccups. You laugh so much you got the hiccups too.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Bessie, we've all got hiccups now.
Oh, dear.
Oh, Bessie?
Yes, love?
Will we have the hiccups for always?
Oh, no, don't worry, sweet pea. They will go away. We just don't know when.
Oh, good.
Mind you, there are things you can do to help the hiccups go away.
Oh, what can we do, Bessie?
Well, you can try drinking some water.
Pumpkin water.
Oh, just drink a little bit at a time, Poppet.
Oh.
Has that helped, Pom?
Yes.
You've still got them. I've still got them too.
Pom got hiccups.
Oh dear, that didn't work. Now let me think. What else could we try? Oh, I know. What about something to stop you thinking about the hiccups? How about a little name game?
Oh, what's a name game?
Well, you make up a little rhyme about your name, like, hello, I'm Bessie, And I'm rather messy.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, I know. My name's Rockit. You can put me in your pocket.
My name is Florrie. I can't think of anything. Sorry.
Oh, but that's good, Florrie. Florrie sounds like sorry.
Oh, yes. Sorry, I'm sorry. Hello, Pom. Pom.
Oh, well done. Have your hiccups gone? Oh, dear. There is something else you can do, but I just can't remember what it is.
Look, everyone's over there. I could surprise them all at the same time. Shh. Boo! Oh, that was a great surprise, wasn't it?
Fimbo, you made us jump.
Oh, Fimbo.
Fimbo.
Oh, everybody, listen.
Listen to what?
I can't hear anything.
No one's making a sound.
Exactly.
What do you mean, Betty? Hiccup. No hiccup. Oh, we've all stopped hiccuping.
Oh, so we have.
Oh, it must have been Fimbo's surprise. I remember now. Surprises are the other thing that can make the hiccups go away. Now, watch out for some surprises here.
Surprise!
Ooh, she's got a present.
I wonder what's inside.
Oh, a lovely surprise! Surprise! Boo! Boo! Boo!
Two surprises.
Oh, big surprise!
Oh, hello everyone. What's been going on here?
Hello, Roly! Everyone had the hiccups.
And then I gave everyone a big surprise.
Hiccup gun!
Oh, I see. A surprise, eh? Well, I think I might have a story with a surprise in it. Would you like to hear it?
Oh, yes, please. Dolly!
Back in a Roly Mo. When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you will see? When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. With cats and dogs and birds and frogs, a monkey who says boo, boo, wonderful things, giants and kings, and maybe a fimble or two. Oh, now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me.
Dolly!
Now, are you sitting comfortably? Good. Then I'll begin. This story is called Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a little girl, and everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. One day, her mother said, "I've made some buns for your grandma. Will you take them to her?" A visit to Grandma was always exciting because she would sometimes play tricks on her granddaughter. So off dashed Little Red Riding Hood. In the forest, two friendly rabbits ran in front of her, but suddenly they vanished. And there was Wolf, hanging upside down in a tree. "Oh, Wolf," she said, "you scared those rabbits." "Ho, ho, ho," grinned the Wolf. He enjoyed scaring rabbits. "What have you got in your basket?" "Buns for Grandma," said Little Red Riding Hood. "Not for you." And she went on her way. When she reached Grandma's cottage, she stepped inside. Granny, where are you? I'm in bed, came the gruff reply. That doesn't sound like Grandma, thought Little Red Riding Hood. She went into the bedroom. Your eyes look very large today, Grandma, she said. All the better to see you with, my dear. And your nose, it's very large too. All the better to smell those lovely buns you've brought me. Grandma, your mouth is huge too. All the better to eat. Eat what? Said Little Red Riding Hood. Just then the door was flung wide open. It was Grandma, and she was laughing. The wolf sat up. He was dressed in Grandma's best nightdress and cap. And he was laughing. Now, he said, may I have one of those buns? So Grandma, Little Red Riding Hood and the wolf had the buns for tea.
Oh, Grandma and the wolf gave Little Red Riding Hood a surprise.
That was a really good surprise.
Oh, I like surprises like that, especially when there are buns in it.
Oh, good. I thought that you would like that story. Oh,
Oh, Roly! Was that a hiccup?
well, I think it was, but it wasn't me.
No, it wasn't me.
Oh, it wasn't me.
Not Pom.
And it wasn't... oh, it was me.
Fimbo!
Oh, no. Oh, I've got the hiccups now. There's a funny little something that makes a funny sound. It's very hard to find it, but you know when it is found. It jumps up from your tummy as quick can be. So now you've got the hiccups, you can hit along with me. Hiccup! 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 Oh. Oh, Rocket! Oh, my hiccups have gone. Thank you, Rocket.
Oh, well, my little chickadee, the Fimbles had a busy day today. Can you remember who found the hiccup first? Oh, that's right, it was Florrie. Florrie found it and she couldn't stop hiccuping, could she? And what was Fimbo doing all the time? Yes, he kept on doing those surprises, didn't he? Who else got the hiccups, can you remember? Oh, that's right. Pom and Rockit got them too. But what about that last big surprise Fimbo did? What happened then? Yes, the hiccups went away, didn't they? Do you like surprises? Or do they make you jump? Come and find us next time, won't you? Now, we must fly. Goodbye.